Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are styling our natural hair. I have this 3-in-1 half wig from HerGivenHair. This is just me showing you guys the packaging. I have the Burmese curly hair, which is like a 3A, 3B texture. My wig is 18 inches long and it is roughly 170 grams. So this is everything you get in the box. This is the wig fresh out the package, no pre-washing or anything. It has a bunch of combs, so it's nice and snug on your hair. So the style I'm doing today is actually a style I did years ago. I'm just going to recreate a style that I recreated. So let's get into it. So while I am parting my hair, which might I add is a difficult part, okay? These clips are cut down because it took me so long to make sure my part was straight, make sure my parts were even. It's just a lot of work, girls. So anywho, I love doing these styles. I didn't realize how much I love half wigs until I got a half wig again because I haven't had like a half wig in so long. And I'm talking about like one that I didn't make. It's probably hands down the best protective style or wig that you can really put on because you're not putting hardly any tension on your hair. There's no lace, there's no glue, there's none of that. And I don't use glue anyway, but it's hot. It's been 95 degrees and up, so I don't even know how I don't know how we doing none of this, but we're gonna make it work. So I'm glad I opted for a shorter length. Like overall, without filming, doing a style like this should take you no more than 30 minutes because you got to do all the parting and stuff. But you don't even have to do all the parting and stuff. You could do any style that you want. You don't even have to have leave out. You could put the half wig on and put a headband on or something. Put a hat on. It doesn't matter because you don't have to do much. But here I am doing the most because it's cute and I want you to see how versatile all these wigs are. So I pre-parted all of the sections out and they're still not my favorite. I don't know why it's so hard to make a triangle, y'all. I was so confused, but I'm gonna get the hang of it because the last time I did this video, I said I was gonna get the hang of it and I didn't get the hang of it because I never did it again. And now I'm doing it again and I ain't even practiced. So for what it is, it's really cute. And I'm also doing this on straightened hair. When I originally did it, I was just doing it on blown out hair, and I feel like I had way more hair back then. So I wanted the sections to be a little smaller this time, just smaller and kind of thinner. So that's the look we're going for because I didn't want huge like bantu knots because that's what we are doing. I sped through those clips because it's kind of self-explanatory. But since this is a curly unit, I'm just putting my hair in a ponytail and pinning it up. And then I'm going to put a stocking cap on top of that. Of course, a braid down would be ideal, but y'all know I cannot braid, so we have to make do with what we can do. So and here's the start of the show, freshly washed and air dried. This half wig does fit nice and secure. There are like 4 or 5 combs, and it also comes with a drawstring and adjustable straps. And I love that because sometimes the one size fits all just doesn't work. I need a little extra, and I feel like my head is small. So I love when I can make these wigs a little extra tighter. So all I'm doing is positioning the combs in, and when I tell you, as soon as you put it on, it looks like the hair is coming out your scalp. It looked like you did a flip over, but you didn't because it's made like that. So I'm just showing you how I tighten the drawstring, and I'm just fluffing the hair out. Like, look how together this style came together. Without the wig on, it just looked regular. Like, what else was I gonna do? And now with the wig on, it's complete. It looks like, I don't know what it looks like, but it looks good. So I'm also doing a lot of fluffing because the curls were clumped together. That's how I like to do curly hair. I had used one of those off-brand Denman brushes, which I love on curly hair. It just makes the curls clump together and they just look so unified and divided. Unified and divided. They can't be both. They look unified and together. So this is what it looks like. The hair is in a natural color. My hair is normally jet black, but the color is faded off, so all of these wigs are matching my natural hair color beautifully. But anywho, I love this. Here I am doing like a whole little 180. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be sure to list all of her Given Hair's information in the description box, as well as the direct link to this also cute unit that I'm wearing. And I'll see y'all on my next one.